Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to see how you can create a brand account on YouTube instant while a personal account is less advantageous. Let's see how you can create a brand account. If you don't have a Google account, create it fast. Without Gmail, you can't do it. I thought you had a Gmail account and you were already logged in on your account.
First of all, you need to open a browser. So their browser, I'll go on YouTube, enter. So this is my email account. This is my email account. There are no YouTube channel are existing. So I will open a brand new YouTube account. It's called brand account. There are many benefits to create a brand account. So you need to create a brand account, not normal account. Click here. We will go channel setting. This is account and your YouTube channel. You can create account by this method. Create a channel. Click here. After some time it will show a pop-up window. If you will create a channel, this method, this will be normal account, but we need a brand account. I'll tell you that many benefits of a brand account. You can under a brand account you can change your ownership, change your manager, you can create your editor, but under a general account you can't move your account to other, and you can't say it manager or you can say it editor. And
If you work within a team, it's not possible to work widely, so I suggest you hurriedly to create a brand account, not a personal account.
so cancel it. We will open a new windows. So typing youtube.com/channel space SWITCHER youtube.com channel _switcher / enter. Click create a channel. Yes, you can see under create your channel name you can specifically see that you can use your brand name or another name. So guys, you'll see what's the benefit of brand account. I'll show you that I told you. Under a brand account you can change your ownership, change your manager, you can create your editor and normally also be user, but under a general account you can't move your account to other, and you can't say it manager or you can say editor. And if you will work within a team, so it's not possible with a normal account. You need a brand account. Astro Boom. Okay, this is a good name. Astro Boom. It's gonna boom. Okay, so click here. This is our brand channel name. You can see that here clearly written that brand name. So click here, create. Okay guys, after a few minutes we'll okay guys, after a few minutes we will show you brand channel. So this is our desired brand channel, Astro Boom. You can see it. Yeah. Okay. So what's the benefit I told you? Okay. Go to switch account, Astro Boom. Click here. Our setting. You can see in the setting option in account, channel managers. Add or remove managers. Click here. Please call specifically. You can see brand account. Okay, this is our brand account.
To get more videos like this one. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Hope you the best for every step in your journey. Go and conquer your dreams. Have a good day.